The Apple Barn is a former cattle barn built in 1910. The farmhouse was built in the 1920s and was converted to a restaurant in 1985. The menu is filled with country favorites from fried chicken to country fried steak. But first, everyone gets an order of apple fritters and apple butter, as well as an Applewood julep, which includes apple juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, and lemon juice. This is the broccoli cheddar soup. We also tried Grandma's vegetable soup, and they were both delicious. This is the famous sampler trio. It includes chicken and dumplings, chicken pot pie, and fried chicken. So if you cannot decide what to order, this gives some variety, but my favorite was the chicken and dumplings. We also tried several of the sides. We ordered the cornbread sausage dressing, the mac and cheese, the fried okra, and the grilled corn on the cob. Everything was amazing, and be sure to save room for dessert. That was our meal at the Applewood Farmhouse Restaurant. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.